Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for water sign Scorpio. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. And this reading is remaining month of June. So let's see your recent past. So Scorpio, let's see your recent past. 7 of Wands, 5 of Pentacles and Ace of Wands. For some there is separation between both of you, 5 of Pentacles. But one person in this connection want this connection because 7 of Wands. They don't want to give up on this connection. They want a brand new beginning with you. Your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Earth sign, or it could be, or they could be fire sign. So for some there is separation. For some, your person want a brand new beginning with you in past. So let's see what is going on your connection right now. Queen of Cups, 3 of Pentacles, the Empress. One more card for clarification. 2 of Pentacles. Yes, lot of earth energies here. I think one person investing on this connection more than the other, and one person is juggling between two decisions. And the energy between both of you right now becoming loving and nutritious, but you both have to work on this relationship. Then there is a chance for new beginning, because one person is not sure about it right till now, because 2 of Pentacles is juggling the Empress. I think one person, it could be you, stand by your power, the Empress. You stand by your power. If your person want to new beginning or not, it doesn't matter, because you stand by your power. So let's see your person near future actions towards you, Scorpio. Exhaustion, 9 of Wands, we are the world, 10 of Pentacles, Lord of Pentacle energy is here, inner voice, High Priestess. Definitely trust your intuition, then take decision, because your person right now in exhaustion mode, 9 of Wands, they are guarded up. So I think the person who doesn't want to give up on this connection is you, but your person is right now guarded up, and I think they are busy with their career right now. 10 of Pentacles and 3 of Pentacles and 2 of Pentacles, they are juggling between you and their career. So inner voice, right now they are listening to their inner voice, or you have to trust your intuition. So I think right now there is no action card here to come towards you. They want the new beginning with you, but they are not taking any action. So let's pull some cards from universe for final message, Scorpio. The burden, yes, 6 of Swords. Change, Wheel of Fortune, the Swords, Ace of Wands, Guidance, 3 of Pentacles. 2 times 3 of Pentacles is here, and 2 times Ace of Wands is here. 6 of Swords, definitely it could be long distance relationship, but things are getting better, but it will take time, because Wheel of Fortune is here. Right now your person is concentrating on their career. After that he will come towards you and want a brand new beginning, because Ace of Wands to Ace of Wands here. For some it is new love also, those who want change. Wheel of Fortune, definitely things are turning in your favor. Your person want to settle the disputes between both of you, 6 of Swords and 3 of Pentacles. Definitely you both have to work on this relationship, then there will be a chance for new beginning. So he will come towards you, but it will take time. So this is the reading for you, Scorpio. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.